think of you in colors orange, yellow, blue. I can't get you off my mind. Red as blood, warm as sun. Such good loving just begun. Rainbow lover, I want you. Like the yellow of the sun makes the grass grow green and strong, and the pale blue of the sky.
Hi guys, and welcome. This is me, JBRose, singing vegan mum. How are you all doing out there? I hear from the government that on the 15th of June they will be easing the lockdown. So if you're getting into this easing, I just want to say take it easy, alright? When you're going out there, just take it easy. So today's recipe, but wait a minute. Before I get into today's recipe, I would just like you to do something for me, just for me. Could you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button? I would be so grateful. I'll wait while you do it. Subscribe, and I'll wait while you hit the like button. Thank you. Alright, so today it's lunchtime, and I thought, oh, I haven't done anything lunchy for you all. And one of my YouTube family members, Tony Pegg, a couple of months ago said that he makes vegan tuna with nori seeds. I thought, oh yeah, I used to do the same thing. This recipe I'm going to dedicate to Tony Pegg and his lovely wife. I'm going to make my own flatbread. Flatbread is so easy to make. If you haven't got bread in the house, you just need to do this recipe. It's really easy to make flatbread. Flour, oil, water and salt, and you're away. Guys, let's get into it. Let's get into it. So I have some granary flour. You can use whole wheat flour, you can use any flour you like, but I'm using granary flour. So I'm going to put some chia seeds in this. Linseed, flaxseed, linseed, same people, same thing. Teaspoon of that. I've got some sesame seeds here, again, just to make it just nice. You get me? You can flavour it how you like, but I'm going to do a handful, what's a bit much that, a handful of mixed herbs. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So I've got my Himalayan sea salt here, a handful, just a little bit of sea salt. I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Finally, to bring it all together, I have some warm water. We're going to make this into a lovely dough. And what I want you to do is knead this together for about 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah, bring it all together. But I'm still going to knead it a little bit more. I'm going to cut this up into 4 pieces. So I'm going to make 4 big flatbreads. Flatbread number 1. Roll it out. Good. To my non-stick pan. I've been heating it up. No oil. I'm just going to put my flatbread on my pan, and I'm going to cook that 3 minutes one side, 3 minutes on the other side. Flip it over, you can see nice and bright. Do it on the other side. I'm going to put it in the oven to keep it warm.
Our love is strong every day. Rain makes healthy grassy picture plains. I am glad I'm not colorblind. Blue the sea, ocean deep, no rocks will ever come between. Swirling ripples of this loving kind. Red and blue make solid brown, earthy natural from the ground. Rainbow colors in the sky begin to end at Texas high.
On social media, on Twitter, on Insta, on YouTube, you may have noticed that I've been putting up little promo videos, because in 3 weeks time on the 3rd of July, my debut single, Back to Love, is coming out. And I have already put up a few promo videos. I'm going to give you a taster now. Hi guys, guess what? It's coming soon. No stress.
No more stress, more stress, more stress.
So please look out, there's lots more coming. I've got a few more promo videos coming out. Please get yourself ready for the release. I'm so excited, so all my family and friends. We can't wait till you hear it. In 3 weeks time, on the 3rd of July, on all streaming platforms. I'm sure the government said that if we go to shops and enclosed public spaces, we have to have our mouth and nose covered. Now for me guys, I've got to say, I'm a little bit spooked because people are kind of doing their own homemade ones. There's some really beautiful ones, but also there's some scary ones. There's some proper scary face masks out there. It reminds me of Hannibal Lecter. Do you remember Hannibal Lecter? And he had the thing, Silence of the Lambs. Yeah, I think I'm in the Silence of the Lambs. If you're like, oh, oh. I don't want to look like Hannibal Lecter or scare people like it's Halloween. So I've decided not to do the face mask, but I thought I would make sure I have a scarf with me. And anytime I go out, I just take the scarf and do something like this. So guys, it's a taste test. Alright, what's going on guys? What's the problem? Can I hit you?
You hit me and it was turning back.
Turn it back. Okay, if you said did it by accident, did you say sorry?
I went inside because it hurt.
Right, so then why are you upset then? Well then if you want your brother to play, you got to ask him nicely, Kai and Io. Why are you speaking like a baby? Anyway guys, I think it's a taste test time. So I've got two versions. I've done one like, you know, like that, and one, of course, like a wrap. I'm going to eat the wrap version first. Woo! I actually want a cup of tea with this. I'm a bit of a tea girl, but I'm going to give it a try. Ah. Delicious. I've got two, guys. It really has a fishy taste. It tastes like fish without it being fish. Delicious. Guys, try it. You'll love it. I will see you again next time. Please stay safe, please stay happy, and remember, for healthy vegan options, I'm your girl, I'm your girl.
No more stress, more stress.